Hi there, this is Java Jim with First Line Equipment. And today I'm going to show you how to clean the PID sensor. Because a lot of times the PID sensor will get fouled up or corroded with bad water. Typically calcium and some other minerals can corrode it. Once you take the machine apart, the Alfredo here, made by Torre in Italy, there is another video to take the body panels off, but what's nice about this machine is that they do use a high quality PID sensor. Make sure the machine is unplugged from your electrical outlet. And you'll notice there's a wire here, which is the PID sensor, which you can disconnect. Okay, and disconnect this and then weave it through. And on top here, you're going to see the PID sensor. This is probably one of the highest quality PID sensors that I've seen on espresso machines. When you remove this, okay, on a Torre machine or any other, make sure that you don't twist the wire because it'll break here and create a bad connection, which can give you false readings or no reading at all. So if you have a false reading or no reading at all, it's usually because the wire is bad. And then you'll take a wrench. You can't use a socket here, but you'll take a wrench to start it. There is a nut underneath, but if that comes out, that's fine. You'll start this lefty-loosey to get this out. When you clean it, a wire brush is best. If you see staining or a light film, it may be, the staining usually indicates it could be permanently damaged. A white film usually means calcium buildup. Get a wire brush, clean it well, unless you have a wheeler that can clean that very rapidly. But you can try cleaning that, and then just, again, with a cold machine. Of course, you want to test it, get the machine connected first. Bring this wire down, and this 2-pin connector right here, and it can only go in one way. And from there, you will be good to go cleaning the PID. And this is applicable to the other Torre machines, but also other machines by competitors. But you really want the best of the best, which is right now Torre espresso machines made in Italy. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please ask down below. Visit our website for this phenomenal machine. And as I always say, coffee first, everything else second.